रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज दहिवडी कॉलेज दहिवडी तालुका मान डिस्ट्रिक्ट सातारा NAC re-accredited A grade with CGPA 3.25. It is affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Khetre. It is my great privilege to introduce the Department of Chemistry. I am a head Department of Chemistry. Department established in 1985. Department sponsored by DST FIST. Department having its own YouTube channel named DCD Chemistry. Department runs various programs: BSc First, BSc Second, BSc Third, MSc Part First, MSc Part Second, Organic Chemistry, PhD, career-oriented courses, skill development courses, short-term courses, and Government of Maharashtra recognized soil and water testing laboratory. Various academic programs run by the Department of Chemistry. BSc First program code is DCDS, subject is chemistry. There are 3 divisions A, B, C affiliated to the Shivaji University and intake capacity is 360. Admission is given purely on the basis of merit and rules and regulation of Government of Maharashtra. BSc Second program code is DCDS, chemistry. There are 2 divisions affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and capacity is 260 plus. Again, admission is given on the basis of merit, but those students who pass in BSc First and get ATKT, they will get admitted to the BSc Second. For the BSc Third, code is DCDS, specialization is chemistry. Division is A, affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and intake capacity is 120 plus. Again, admission is given on merit basis, and as well as the students who clear BSc First completely and pass second year with ATKT or clear pass. Then MSc Part First, DCDM is the program code. Subject is organic chemistry. We have 1 batch only affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. 22 seats are available and admission process is purely on the basis of merit and entrance examination conducted by the Shivaji University, Kolhapur time to time. MSc Part Second, DCD YAM is the program code. Organic chemistry specialization. Again, we have only 1 batch over here affiliated to Shivaji University and intake capacity is 22. If student gets ATKT and clear pass in MSc Part First, admitted to the MSc Part Second. Along with this academic program, PhD program is run by the department. Our chemistry laboratory is recognized by Shivaji University, Kolhapur for PhD. Intake capacity is 6 and admission process is entrance examination conducted by the Shivaji University, Kolhapur time to time. Along with this academic program, students have some development in the field of skill. So on the basis of that, we have various skill based program, just like career oriented courses called as COC, skill development courses called as SDC, and short term courses called as STC. For example, for BSc First, we have the COC course, Water Management and Technology. It is 1 year course affiliated to Shivaji University, and Dr. M.J. Lubad is coordinator, and outcome for this is to create awareness regarding the water saving and manage the water. BSc Part Second, skill development course, fertilizer and pesticide uses. Those students having a chemistry at SYBSc with A group, that student admitted to this course, and duration of this course is 3 months. Affiliated or run by the Wraith Skill Foundation. Mr. P.S. Wunde is the coordinator of this course. To make students skillful in fertilizer analysis is the outcome. For the BSc second, STC means short term course is household useful chemicals. Those students having a chemistry at BSc subject, they can apply or admit to this course. It is 3 months duration course. Again, it is run or affiliated to Wraith Skill Foundation, and Mr. R.V. Sawant is the coordinator of this course. What is the outcome? To create awareness in the soil and water analysis. BSc third COC course, water and soil analysis. It is 1 year course affiliated to Shivaji University Kolhapur and sponsored by University Grant Commission. The coordinator of this course is Dr. A.U. Chopde. To create awareness in the soil and water analysis is the outcome of this course. BSc third, we also conduct MSc entrance examination as a short term course. Those students want to go for the further education, higher education, they have to join this course so that during the last year of BSc they can complete their aims of the future. It is 3 month duration course run or affiliated to Wraith Skill Foundation. Mr. S.D. Bhakre is the coordinator of this course, and the outcome of this course will be to prepare for MSc examination, and student will get the admission to that one. BSc third skill development course, fertilize and pesticide analysis. It is 3 months duration course affiliated run by Wraith Skill Foundation. Coordinator is Mr. L.P. Sutar sir, to make students skillful in the fertilizer analysis. This is a very, very important course as per as student background is concerned. MSc part first, STC, short term course. It is the instrumentation operation and it is of 3 month duration. Affiliated or run by the Wraith Skill Foundation and Dr. S.M. Khetri is the coordinator to create a skill in the instrumentation operation so that student can handle very smoothly and freely the instrument. MSc part second, STC short term course, organic fertilizer analysis. It is 3 month duration, affiliated or run by Wraith Skill Foundation. Ms. P.R. Mane is the coordinator of this course to develop more skill, detailed skill in fertilizer analysis. Along with these courses, other type of courses are available for the students. They can join that course which are run by the college at various department. Infrastructure facility to carry out this academic program as well as different type of skill based courses. Infrastructure is very important or necessary. So college and department develop very nice infrastructure. We have the 6 laboratories and separate staff room, 5 storerooms for keeping the different type of chemicals, just like volatile chemicals, acid base, neutral compound, like that. Storerooms, as already I have mentioned, that 5 common facility center is available where we have the 60 different type of instruments are there and 2 software. Modern instruments are there, just like a atomic absorption spectrophotometer. This instrument is useful for the soil and water analysis and especially for the analysis of micronutrient. Where we have the reference book at Central Library. 572 titles are available and 776 volumes are there. Every year we are purchasing the books for the students. We have the bound copies 616 and e-books are more than 65 or high number. Journals hardbounds 3 and e-journals are available through Implement. We have 2 computer, 2 LCD projector, 1 printer, internet broadband connectivity. We provide the Wi-Fi facility to the practical students wherever it is necessary. We conduct practicals separately at separate practical laboratories. We have the BSc first, BSc second, BSc third, MSc first, MSc fourth, third, MSc second course. We have the separate laboratory. We do also have the separate classes for the each division, and we have the Implement subscription. We have the digital library. Student take the benefit of that one. So number of books, number of PPTs, YouTubes are available there. Now learning resources available for the students. Departmental library, central library, computer with VPN connection and printer, stereo model to understand the very tricky or complicated subject of stereochemistry, modern instrument, different kind of models. CDs are available with us for the students teaching learning process. Well equipped laboratories, as already I have mentioned that there are 6 LCD projectors, all required chemicals, because to carry out the experiment of the chemistry practicals we need to have the more chemicals, and we do have the all chemicals together. Video lectures, we have the YouTube lectures, departmental YouTube channel is there, DCD Chem, departmental Instagram, departmental Telegram groups, DCD Chemistry 2020-2021, WhatsApp group, blog. By using this timetable, schedule, notice of every event is displayed to the students as well as faculty members. Student centered activities. During that time, we faculty members using this participative, experiential, problem solving teaching methodology. Extra coaching to slow learners and advanced learners. Seminar we conduct to the students. Chem quiz, project work, wallpaper for the development of talent, and showed their talent through this wallpaper presentation. Sport, student poster, student research poster, paper, journal as well as presentation. Mentor-mentee scheme, take care of the students in all the way, solving the problem of the students, so that we have this mentor-mentee scheme. We do have the industrial visit to get the experience of the particular topic of the syllabus. Then whatever the things that students have covered during the year, we don't have a direct examination. We have the continuous internal evaluation, which is called as CIE. Here 4 unit tests and 2 midterms are conducted during the year. Along with that, we do have the open book test, surprise test, online test, and all this continuous internal evaluation help to the students in the university examination getting the good score. Good group discussion, model based learning. As students are more talented, so it is our duty to know the students, the talent hidden in them. So research talent is very important. To unlock the research talent of the students, college and department conduct various programs just like a model based learning. FY-based student, they have to participate into that one. Then project based learning, science second year student enter into this one. Then PD3 P4 learning, that is a project design, development, demonstration and prototype, presentation, product, patent. So this kind of research related activities we are conducting and we are inculcating the research culture among the students. We have the departmental project Rayat Aviskar activity, and it is activity based learning. Another important and prestigious things for the chemistry department is that soil and water testing laboratory is there in the chemistry department, and this laboratory is recognized by the government of Maharashtra. So whatever sample we have analyzed, that can be useful for getting the various kind of benefit of this various kind of scheme of the government of Maharashtra. So we have this kind of infrastructure available for the practical purpose. These are the few spot of these laboratories. In last year 2019-20, we have analyzed 625 watt soil sample received from the government of Maharashtra Water and Soil Testing Laboratory, Satara, and we have prepared soil health card and distributed to the agriculture department, Man Tahsil, for further process. To carry out all these things very smoothly and fantastically, it need to have teacher quality or teacher profile. So we are 16 departmental staff members. They are well experienced, qualified and having the different type of specialization. So outcome of this struggling of the student and faculty members, we got the very good outcome. In last year, student gets selected in TCS, Macleod and other type of industries. Majority of the students join TCS and pharmaceutical industries. 19 students of the last year joined in TCS and other industries. And those students who completed their BSc from Devadi College, Devadi, Department of Chemistry, 28 students get benefited and they get the admission to MSc at various colleges. So all these facilities available for the students. So therefore I humbly request to all the students who are listening this channel, join us and develop yourself. You have a bright future. You can definitely improve yourself. To prepare this presentation, support for this presentation, and even though planning for this presentation, Honorable Principal Dr. B.T. Jadhav sir always guided us, motivated us, and due to his inspiration, due to his support, we could do so many things at the department, and he provided each and every opportunity to faculty member as well as all students. Therefore, I am thankful to Honorable Principal Dr. B.T. Jadhav sir for supporting and helping us. I am also thankful to Honorable Secretary of the Rayat Shikshan Sanstha Dr. V.S. Shivankar sir for giving a opportunity to serve at Devadi College, Devadi, as well as supporting the various facility in providing various facility to the department. I am also thankful to all the well-wishers, all management for getting the opportunity to the students in the form of education and various facility to that one. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karmavir.